Making money with digital marketing involves leveraging online platforms to promote products, services, or brands, either for others or your own business. Here's how you can get started. Offer freelance digital marketing services. Start by offering SEO, content marketing, social media management, email marketing, or PPC advertising services to businesses. Use platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer to find clients. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services through affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ShareASale, or ClickBank. Earn a commission for each sale or lead generated through your referral links. Build a blog, YouTube channel, or social media presence to reach a wider audience. Start your own online business. Use digital marketing strategies to promote your own products, such as ebooks, courses, or digital downloads. Run targeted ads on platforms like Facebook, Google Ads, or Instagram to drive traffic to your website. Social media influencing. Grow your social media following on platforms like Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok. Partner with brands for sponsored posts and earn money by promoting their products to your audience. Offer consultancy. If you have expertise in digital marketing, offer consulting services to businesses looking to improve their online presence.